Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't say it. I know it's been forever, but listen, this is my last semester of school. Guess what? We are counting down the clock. I graduate in 3.5 weeks. And honestly, if any of you all are in school, and especially if you're about to graduate, you know that time is of the essence and you do not have a lot of it. So I really just didn't have enough time to really be invested in my social media, but that will change after this. Let me get to graduation, let me finish my college career, and I promise you I will be back on here because this will honestly be my main thing. It'll be what I spend my time doing once I graduate. This is all I want to do. So believe me when I say that my content will become weekly again. I will be using everything again. Just bear with me, and for all of you all who continue to wait and accept my reasonings, I truly appreciate it, because without you all, I wouldn't be able to do any of this. If this is the first time that you are on my channel, make sure you're pressing that subscribe button. Make sure you're giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure you're hitting that bell, because as of right now, my videos are probably going to be sporadic. I probably will do a vlog of my graduation day and things like that, but the only way to know if I'm going to post anything is by having that bell checked so that you get all my notifications, alright? Well, what made me come out of my YouTube hibernation was actually a new collab with rue21. Now, I know you all remember I literally just did a collab with them not too long ago about their spring collection, but they're doing this really dope campaign. It's called Color Your Story. And it's really about using bright colors to kind of be your voice and add that little extra to you. Stepping outside of your comfort zone and truly embracing different and colorful and more in yourself. So I had to do this. And plus I love the collection, so I had to add myself into it. So what this is going to be is another awesome unboxing of 3 dope outfits. I'm gonna try them on for you, let you know how I'm thinking about wearing them, and then, like always, I want to hear what you all thought about these outfits. So let's begin. The first outfit I loved because I don't usually do like crazy colored pants, and this outfit made my day. So I got these. Okay, for starters, let me say that I don't know if you all have noticed this, but I am obsessed with this graffiti look. I think it's because I'm going for this like very stylish adult look, that I also want to have that street urban look, and the graffiti look kind of still gives me that. So I bought some sweatpants with some graffiti all on them. Check it out, check it out. Bunch of colors. I know it's kind of bright, so it's hard to see, but that's what happens when you have such bright clothes. But it kind of works for me. I dig all the colors, and obviously when I chose this, I was like, all right, I can't go too crazy with the shirt. So I decided to go with this white graffiti shirt that has all the colors in it, everything I wanted in it. It literally gets the job done. The shirt is basic, which is why I love it, but then you also get all the colors that are in these pants to make it make sense. Obsessed with it. I'm also gonna show you a different outfit that has a jacket to it, and I think that the jacket, even though I didn't mean for it to go with it, the jacket goes so well with it. So I'm gonna show you all that one too. Well, I might as well just go ahead and show the jacket now. So this is the jacket. This beautiful white jacket. Like, look at this jacket. It has all these different pictures of different cities on it. That white is perfect. That pop of blue is great, which is why I thought it'd be perfect for the outfit with the orange, because it's white, it has that blue in it, and it can bounce off of it. I thought perfect. So we're definitely going to try that. What I really got the jacket for was this hoodie. Now, it's a pretty simple hoodie. It's yellow. It literally just says, like you can see up here, it just says Trippy on it. Like, it's pretty dope, and I liked it a lot. So I thought that this would be a way to have a lot of color, but also be able to calm it down with a base color of white. So my idea for this one was a hoodie, the jacket, and some white denim jeans. And I figured that would pretty much be a good loud and bright spring outfit, but still kind of be toned down because I'm kind of using white as my major color. But I cannot wait to see what this jacket also looks like with this shirt. I think that this is going to be very diversified with both outfits, giving it a little bit different look with them both. And then for my last outfit, I have this shirt, right? Have you guys noticed I've been really liking like that melty and face looks on a lot of my stuff that I've been getting from Rue? I don't know why. I don't know if I'm just like big into emojis or like just graffiti look and style. But I like that this has pink in it. I like that it's a dark tone shirt, so black, but it just has all this color coming out of it, right? So I thought perfect to have that with just some basic blue and white track pants. The idea for this one is more so that the shirt will be my focal point with all that pink and blue, and this is just stopping me from having just like a base color on, like another black or anything like that, or just all white, but actually bringing a color from the shirt to pop out. All three of these definitely are my favorites. Like, I don't know which one I like more. They all offer something completely different, and I think they're perfect to really give my story some color. I really want to get into spring and summer and show it, not just embrace it, you know? And when you wear colors like this, that's what you're doing. You're embracing the season, and you're showing how your fashion can change based off the season. We all need to be able to diversify. Diversify, diversify, diversify. All right, let's start trying on these outfits and see how they go. Check it out. All right, guys, so this is outfit number one. I dig it. I'm digging the colors. I'm all for it. I never thought that you'd catch me in some orange pants, but man, do I dig this outfit. I decided to play with it with my Adidas. I have the high top Adidas. If you guys have not checked out the retro high top Adidas, you are missing out. I think that those play on this outfit really well, giving it that street look, mess with it. And remember, I was telling you guys about the jacket. So now we're gonna try it on with the jacket and see how that looks. It fits exactly how I thought it was going to, and it works so good with it. Come on, guys. Tell me you're not feeling this. I think we got us a winner with this one. This was one of them, for sure. All right, y'all, outfit number two. I dig it. I love when I can put together a full outfit where all the colors make sense. I took the pop from the multicolored Trippy with the shoes. Obviously the Converse worked perfect with it. Guys, if you don't have the multicolored Converse, let me tell you, you need to try to grab those because they're gonna make every outfit that you have work. I was able to put all the white together. This jacket worked perfect with it. I think just all the multicolors in it just really helped it out. There's like that hint of pink in here and then the flowers, and you get that also in the Trippy. Like, this is a good layered outfit for one of those breezy spring days. It's a lot of colors. I dig it. I feel it. I think that the shoes and the hoodie is all the color that I needed because of the jacket just have so much going on. The solid color ripped jeans went well with the white jacket. Like, I don't think I would have put this together by myself like on a random day, but having the time to think about it, this was perfect. I'm gonna give you another spin because I like this so much. I just like it so much. It's gonna be hard to top this one. I have to say that of the three, this was probably like maybe my favorite, but you all know that I am very biased towards layering. So let's check out the last outfit. Here we go, last outfit. simple. I love when I can do simple, but it still has a huge voice, which is what this is. That pink, that blue in the black shirt worked so well. You get to see it pop out. It helps with the pants. The pants is really bringing that blue out, giving it that really bold blue. I could even have done like white jeans to really make these colors like really pop. But I think that the contrast with these two worked so well. Shoes, I was struggling with, guys. I was struggling because I had so many different colors going on. I have the shirt that's like wild. So I really wanted to be tame. So I kept with the high top Adidas again. I just felt that those little streaks of teal, even though they're not the perfect match, when they wore together and with so much white, it really makes it look like all of it goes together. Plus, I didn't want to do a really blue shoe because there's just too many tones of blue going on at one time. You know, like I'm just making it. I haven't crossed the line over to completely not matching my blues. So this worked well. This is a good active look. This is going to be a good just throw something on that looks good and make it out the door. You know, my last days of class. This is perfect. I like this a lot. I like the fit of these two. Like, I'm not usually a track pants wearer, but the two that I've gotten, I really like them because I feel like I can just throw them on and make an outfit out of it. Like, this looks really good to me. This is that active look, active street look, so I like it. I dig the design of the shirt. I just think that it all worked really well together. Questioning the shoes still a little bit, but I think if I'm not going to throw on some like all white shoes, these will be the next best thing. So I like it. This was outfit number 3. You guys gotta let me know which one you liked more. Alright guys, that's it. I really hoped you like all these outfits. I loved them and the way I put them together was awesome. I was able to use some shoes that I have not worn in years because you all know how it is having a shoe collection. You really only have a shoe that you have for one outfit type situation, but that's neither here nor there. But I really do hope that you like these outfits. Obviously, if you did not like them, please in the comments tell me what you would have done differently, how you would have worn them differently, what you would have changed. I'd love to know, and you might actually see me make those changes. But for now, just make sure you guys, if you love this video, you're giving it that thumbs up. You go check out my old videos because even though they were a little bit ago, like a month or two, they were all still really good. I still have an exciting video coming out pretty soon. I'm waiting to after graduation so that I have time to work with the celebrities. But don't forget, my Disney video will be coming out sometime this summer. I want to do a vlog for you all. If that sounds like something you all want to see, let me know in the comments. All my content is for you, so if you like it, I'll love it. Alright, so I will talk to you all soon. I'm not going to put a date on it because, like I said, graduation's around the corner, finals, papers, everything is crazy. So I don't know when my next video is, but make sure you all are checking out my Instagram. And also guys, if you like this stuff, make sure you go check out your Snapchat because rue21 also just created a filter that you all will be able to use. I will be posting the link to the filter in my bio and you'll be able to make pictures like this and this. Alright guys, so as always, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll be seeing you guys real soon.